Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I will introduce and do a quick review on this app named Yeetalk Chat, Talk and Learn. Basically, this is an educational social networking application. In the description, you can also know that meet foreign friends around the world and learn languages. So this app might be helpful to you to explore new language and learn new languages. So the file size of this app is like 103 MB, and this app has quite good reviews, so it have 3.4 reviews out of 5. So on the description image you can also know it from here, like language exchange. So on this section you'll be able to do live chat with the native speaker at any time. So on the another picture, friends around the world, you can meet new friends worldwide and you can make your friends internationally. So from there you can learn new languages. Alright, so now on this app there is one amazing features like real-time translation. So like it support over 100 languages worldwide. So from there, in such case, you have many friends worldwide. So from there you can translate the language in the English language, or whom you want to translate that language in your desired one. And now from here you can explore the world, like you can see the real life across the globe. So you can also know the people's moment with this app. So this is the app for exploring and learning new things. So this app might be helpful to you to explore new things and learn new languages. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more tech related videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.